Okay, so we have a 2013 Juke, and this is a key fob. I believe the battery is dead, so I'm going to show you how to remove the battery from the key fob. Tools you're going to need is one of these precision screws and a little bit of a screwdriver. So right back here is the battery, so I'm going to remove that. So I'm going to start. Okay, so I just got the screw out of the back right here. Okay, and I'm going to put it in a little baggie so I don't lose it, because if I lose this, then I'll have to use duct tape. Okay, so I pry this open here and just go all the way around like that, and this should just pop right off like so, and there's your battery right there. So that's what needs to be replaced. Okay, so with the precision kind of screwdriver here, you dig in here and you kind of pop it out. I kind of worked it out a little bit and now it's out. Okay, and that's what it looks like out. Let's see what we're looking at here. The plus sign seems to go inwards. So I'm going to get another battery now and replace it and see if it works. Okay, so this is the old battery and this is a new one. It seems like the positive side goes in. Okay, face first. Let's snap it in there, okay? And let's reverse the steps here. So now we're gonna put this on like so. Oops. Okay. And we're gonna snap it in place. Okay, so this is it all put together. Okay, the screws back in. And it's all ready to go. So thank you very much again for watching, and I'll make more vids when I get a chance.